Hey there, food lovers, have you noticed? More people are cooking with their pets. It's a thing. And guess what? Our feline friends love to be in the kitchen too. Cats are naturally curious. They love to sniff out new aromas. The kitchen is full of exciting smells and sounds for them, plus, spending time cooking together can be a great way to bond with your furry companion. Before we start cooking up a storm, safety first. The kitchen can be a dangerous place for a curious kitty. Keep hot pots and pans out of reach. Sharp knives and other utensils should be stored safely, and never leave your cat unattended around food that's not safe for them. Chocolate, onions, and grapes are a big no-no for our feline friends. Now for the fun part, the food. Let's whip up some delicious and cat-friendly recipes. Recipe 1: Tuna and Rice Delight. Mix cooked rice with a can of tuna in water. Add a tablespoon of plain yogurt. Your cat will go crazy for this. Recipe 2: Chicken and sweet potato mash. Boil and mash some sweet potatoes. Mix in some cooked, shredded chicken. This is a healthy and delicious treat for both you and your feline friend. Cooking with your cat is more than just making food. It's about spending quality time together. It's about creating memories that will last a lifetime. When you cook with your cat, you create a special bond. You share laughs, you share food, and you share a love for all things delicious.